My name's Adam St. Clair. I'm the Industrial Imaging Category Manager and a certified thermographer. I'm going to show you a few of the features on the Ti300 Plus that can help make you more effective and efficient. Focus is the most important thing when capturing a thermal image. Not only is an out-of-focus thermal image difficult to read, it can also impact the temperature reading as much as 30 degrees. In order to get an accurate, in-focus image every time, the Ti300 Plus has Fluke patented LaserSharp AutoFocus. With LaserSharp AutoFocus, all you have to do is pull this black trigger and shoot the laser on the object that you want to measure. The camera automatically measures the distance to your target and adjusts the focus so you have a crystal clear picture and an accurate temperature reading. When you're out doing a thermal scan, there's often a lot of other information that you want to capture that you just can't get in the thermal image itself, like information on a motor nameplate or an electrical panel cover with the location of that panel. That's why I see people out in the field often carrying a clipboard to capture all that other information that they wish they could store with the thermal image. With the Ti300 Plus, you can ditch the clipboard and capture all the information you need right on the camera using IR photo notes and voice annotation. IR photo notes are digital images that get saved along with your thermal images to help you remember what it is that you were looking at. Voice annotation allows you to capture up to 60 seconds of audio right on board the camera that also gets saved along with the image.
Fluke Ti300 Plus is an industrial-grade, high-resolution infrared camera that's perfect for starting your PM program or to help you with frontline troubleshooting. When you think infrared, think Fluke. Think the Ti300 Plus.